Welcome to our comprehensive guide on opening an LLC while on an F1 OPT visa. This video will navigate through the intricate employment and legal implications associated with this process, providing you with a clear understanding of what lies ahead. In this video, we will cover several key topics: understanding LLC formation during OPT, USCIS requirements, the impact of OPT expiration, managing an LLC post-departure, and important considerations for international students. Forming a limited liability company while on an F1 OPT visa involves understanding the intersection of immigration laws and business ownership as an international student. Let's explore these complexities further. Adhering to USCIS guidelines is crucial when employing yourself through an LLC. The LLC's activities must align with your field of study to maintain your OPT status. Engaging in unrelated ventures could lead to violations and the termination of your OPT. The accompanying diagram illustrates the flow from holding an OPT visa to forming an LLC and ensuring your employment pertains to your field of study. With the expiration of your F1 OPT, it's important to note that the LLC, as a separate legal entity, isn't directly tied to your visa status. Consider how the business will be managed if you cannot secure another legal status. The accompanying diagram helps illustrate these steps, highlighting the need for alternative plans post-OPT expiration. Let's check your understanding. What must you ensure when employing yourself in an LLC under F1 OPT? Is it 1. It should relate to your field of study. 2. Any type of work is acceptable. 3. You must hire a U.S. citizen as a co-owner. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss it in the next section. The correct answer is that your employment should relate to your field of study. It's critical because USCIS requirements state your LLC work must align with your academic major to maintain your OPT status. Once your OPT expires and you must leave the U.S., the LLC itself doesn't automatically dissolve. You have several options, such as appointing a U.S. resident as a manager or transferring ownership. Proper planning ensures continuity without violating immigration laws. You can also opt to dissolve the LLC if none of these options are viable. Here are some important tips for those navigating LLCs as F1 OPT holders. Consulting with an immigration attorney is crucial to ensure all actions comply with laws and regulations. Thoroughly understanding OPT regulations helps avoid pitfalls, and proactively planning the long-term sustainability of your LLC prepares you for various outcomes. Here's another question for you. What happens to the LLC if your OPT expires and you leave the USA? Your options are: 1. The LLC is automatically dissolved. 2. The LLC remains, but you cannot work for it. 3. You can continue working for the LLC remotely. Siri, feel free to pause the video and think about this question. We will discuss the answer soon. The correct answer is that the LLC remains, but you cannot work for it. This is because the business is independent of your immigration status, but U.S. laws restrict unauthorized work. Here are the key takeaways from our discussion today. Make sure your LLC activities align with your field of study to comply with OPT regulations, plan for the continuity of your business post-OPT expiration, and always seek professional legal advice tailored to your circumstances. It's important to note that this video provides general information and should not be taken as legal advice. For guidance specific to your circumstances, consult with an immigration attorney or business professional. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love to hear from our viewers.